Have you received shocking news or you're really surprised by something? Shock can get absorbed in your body. I can show you a simple technique to release that shock from your body. Howdy, my name is Izzy Aldridge. All you're going to do is take a simple rock, or if you're outside, use the edge of a sidewalk. You want to start pumping the heel of your foot and applying pressure against a hard surface, whether it's a rock. You can use selenite, you can use whatever you have. All you want to do is you want to be on your tiptoes and you want to do a pumping action so that the heel of your foot is applying pressure on that rock in order to have enough of an impact to release that shock. You have a shock point in the middle of your heel and a few on the side of your foot, on the outer side of the foot. So by doing that pumping motion against the hard surface will release the impact, will help break up that shock from the body. This is a simple technique that anybody can use anytime, anywhere, as many times as you'd like. Until next time, keep moving energies. Bye-bye.